Right now, the sentiment in education is notably negative at -0.18, despite a positive momentum of +0.19 over the last 24 hours. This contrast suggests a potential disconnect between current optimism and underlying concerns, which you'll want to dig into. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of sentiment, highlighting 20 semantic clusters that reveal nuanced insights into public perception. Imagine you're developing an educational platform and need to understand how recent policy changes are being received. By leveraging this sentiment data, you can tailor your content and engagement strategies to address the specific concerns driving that negative sentiment. Stay ahead of the curve by tapping into real-time insights. For more details on how to integrate this into your workflow, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.